Hi Team Rainbow, it's me again, back with another video.
Listen in right here, cause my jam beat the joint. Press play on the track, listen, reach a boiling point. When your crowd no longer sit aside and just simmer. We up in the spot as the lights go down. The street anthem sound from the local DJ.
She's my sunshine in the rain, my Tylenol when I'm in pain, yeah.
Today, this video is about my unboxing of my makeup that Bae bought me. So it's a bit of a delay. She bought it for me on Valentine's. It just came through the mail. So I am really excited to show you guys what I've got. I don't know what it is, so I'll show you guys what the box looks like. Yeah, sorry about my hair. Literally just got out of the shower. Let's open it up. Oh, you don't see my dress. Ooh. I think it's best if I tie up my hair so then you guys can see how it looks, because I wanted to put it on my face. This is what like the box says. I don't really wear makeup like cake and all that, like, you know, cake, pat a cake, pat a cake, pat a cake, because I don't know how to put it on. Like I can do like liquid liner, that's about it. See, yeah, I can do liquid liner and I love to wear dark lipstick. So I can't wait to have a look at these and try it out. First off, okay. Oh wow, this feels like, you know how you buy like those cup things or like the bra things? This is what it feels like. Silicone. What it says is silicone makeup sponge. This feels so awkward on my face. Like it feels like the silicone breast thing. Pressed powder. Ooh, kai pretty. So it comes with its own sponge and that's the color. Let's try it. I don't know what this is for. I think it's for your nose. Oh. Ooh. I love it, darling. Browser eyebrow perfecting kit. Yes. If you guys can tell, look at my eyebrows. I don't have any eyebrows. Ooh, pretty. Comes with its own mirror and a tweezer. I don't even know which one goes first. Ah, so this is the eyebrow wax, the one on the end, and then you choose out of these two shades here. Say whakakai.
I woke up in Chris Brown's body, so hot this shit turned into Freaky Friday, but we got no choice but to turn this sideways. I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday. It's Freaky Friday. I'm in Chris Brown's body. I drive his Ferrari and I'm like skin black.
What the heck? I woke up and I'm Lil Dicky. Lil Dicky? What the heck? Man, this is real weak. How is staying perched up on his like that? Walking down the street and ain't nobody know my name. Ain't no paparazzi flashing pictures, this is great. Ain't nobody judging cause I'm black or my controversial past. I'ma go and see a movie and relax.
Oh my god, that does not look right at all.
That so does not look cool. I'm gonna get my makeup wipes and fix these eyebrows because, oh my gosh, this does not look cool at all.
I got a concealer. They do it like this, they go there, but I don't even know what the whole purpose is. Oh, it's like a lipstick. Look, I see people do it like this. Under their eyes. Is that for your eyes? I don't even know if that's where it goes. The sponge. I think this is where the sponge comes in. Oh. Ah. Do you guys see a difference? No? Neither. I Spy Nude Shadow Palette. Look at these nice ass colors. The most fabulous peepers I have ever seen. Smooth and blendable. Matte and shimmer shades will help you create the perfect eye look. So it's a AC on tour. Oh, a contour. So it's contouring and highlighting kit. Then at the back, it shows you how to contour and also how to highlight. That is so cool. I've never had this before. Okay, so I know you guys are probably like laughing at me and mocking me because I don't know how to put on makeup. But that's okay. You know, that's fine. You know how I put the concealer on? I reckon I did a pretty good job for someone, you know, that's never worn it before. They said brush towards A. Oh, and then I have to do my temples. Like over here. No, don't worry about me if like I'm not doing it right, because it's okay. We're all learning. I don't know if this is, or is this like what you use to like blend, or is this the blend? So highlighting, I have to use a lighter color. So this one, I'm just like going with the flow. Like, how does it look, guys? Do I look weird? I feel weird. Big ol' catfish, ergo gang. Okay, and last but not least, a matte lip cream from Valor Lips. Oh yeah. And the color is Mumbai. I love like dark purple lipstick or dark maroon, like anything dark. Like I like that color on my lips. Okay, let's grab it. Ooh, hey girl, let's put it on.
I'm not even going anywhere today anyways, and look at me putting on makeup. It's alright, I don't care.
I could not help but notice you from a distance. So could I face it this day with you? Na 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 na. I met this really nice guy sitting by a fountain on a sunny day. With your
First time for everything, you know? I'm loving this lipstick. You know how when people finish doing their makeup and then they do this? I'll do from the side. So that was my unboxing of the makeup that I got. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm gonna go and wash this off my face because I am not used to having these on my face. Then I'm gonna clean up a little bit, wait for the boo to get home from work. I'm really feeling this lipstick though. Thumbs up this video if you guys liked it. Comment down below on how you thought that tutorial went and unboxing. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel, as we have got so much to tell you. Okay, other than that, remember guys, we love you. Bye. See y'all later.
Don't need a bad, you should check out my lady. Yeah, she's something else.
Something else.
She's something else.
Something else.